Yes, okay. So salad keeps what? In the last class we discussed that और बीच में थोड़ा सा वीडियो बंद हो गया था क्योंकि we have to record this video is in our mobile and my memory card is full with the recording because I am taking in class 2 as well as class 3 also, है ना. So salad की जो हम बात कर रहे थे वो बीच में ही finish हो गई थी क्योंकि मेरे फोन की मेमोरी भर गई थी. Okay, now this is a part of life, we can't do anything. Okay, now I want to tell you that salad means what? Salad means the roughage, and roughage is very required for our digestive system. When we will include the roughage, then definitely we will have a good clean stomach. Okay, now अब fact file हम पढ़ेंगे. We are going to read about the fact files. Okay, so some people eat vegetable, fruits and food like milk, butter, cheese, but do not eat fish, meat, eggs. People, those who are eating vegetables, those who are eating fruits, those who are eating all the milk product, but they are not eating eggs, they are not eating fish, they are not eating meat. So we call them the vegetarian people. We call them the vegetarian people. See, dear students, according to the food category, we can divide people also, है ना. हम सिर्फ फूड को ही नहीं, हम लोगों को भी फूड के अकॉर्डिंग डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो इन वेजिटेरियन कैटेगरी what kinds of people will come? In vegetarian category, people those who like to eat vegetables, those who like to eat fruits and all types of milk product, but they are not like to eat meat and eggs and all these things. So we call them vegetarian. Okay. Now some people are also have vegetables, fruits, and along all these things they are liking to eat meat and fish also and eggs also. So we will not call them vegetarian, we will call them non-vegetarian people. Understand the definition of non-vegetarian people? Non-vegetarian people means those who are eating fruits and vegetables and along these they are eating fish and meat also. Ab, the last category of vegan. Vegan means what? Vegan means people those who are eating only fruits and vegetables, है ना. They are not eating anything else rather than the fruit and vegetables. What they are eating? Whatever means whatever food we all are getting from the animal side, है ना. We all are getting the meat, eggs and milk from animals. So they vegan kind of people, they are not having the milk product, they are not having the fish and meat. So they are completely depends on fruits and vegetables. So we call them vegan people. Okay, now turn the page and take out the page number 13. Take out the page number 13. In that page, we are going to learn about the meal timing. Meal timing means in Hindi we can call it खाने की आदतें, है ना. And usually we have three kinds of meals in a day. Usually we all have 3 kinds of meals in a day. Number 1, breakfast. Number 1, breakfast. Number 2, lunch. And number 3, the last meal of the day, dinner. The last meal of the day, dinner. Okay, so we all have these 3 kinds of meals every day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. But apart from these 3 meals, we can include one more, because at the evening time, along with tea, along with coffee, along with milk, we will have some snacks also, है ना. We will have biscuit or bread or sometimes whatever we like to eat, we can eat along with evening tea. So breakfast is the first meal of the day. We have it in the morning, and we should have a good breakfast. Always have a good breakfast, because whole night when we are sleeping, whole night we all are not eating anything. So when we will wake up in the morning, near about 9 o'clock, we should always have the breakfast. We should always have the breakfast. Okay. Then the second meal of the day is lunch. And lunch timing is afternoon. What is the lunch timing? The lunch timing is afternoon. And we should take a little light lunch. Okay. In lunch we can include dal, rice, chapati, curd, buttermilk, vegetable, salad. These three things we can include during the lunch time. Now the dinner time. Dinner is the last meal of the day. We have it at night. We should take a light dinner, because whole the day we all have the heavy breakfast, the little light lunch, and the lightest dinner. Okay, and dinner timing, it should be between 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Any or how. Do not take dinner at the midnight, because that food makes you unhealthy. Now, this is about the meal timing. We are going to discuss where does food comes from. Up we will learn where does food comes from. खाना कहाँ से आता है? Where does food comes from? खाना कहाँ से और कैसे आता है? ठीक है. अब everybody loves to eat all types of fruits, but have you ever think that from where this food will come? What are the sources? Who will work for that? What is the human resource on behind that food items? So we get food from both. We get food from both animals and plants. Keep this thing is in your mind that we get food from animals and plants. These are the two big sources of the food. These are the two big sources of the food. These are the two big sources of the food. Okay, so we get food from both animals and plants. We get fruit, vegetables, grains, nuts and oil from the plants. We get so many things from the plants. We get fruits, we get vegetables, we get nuts, we get oil. And there are so many various things which we all are getting from the plants. Okay, now we get milk, eggs, meat, honey and fish from animals. अब एनिमल से क्या क्या मिलता है? प्लांट से तो वी ऑल आर गेटिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. वी ऑल आर गेटिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम प्लांट. बट फिश से क्या मिलता है? वी गेट मिल्क. सी व्हेन योर मम्मा वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, व्हाट शी यूजुअली डूइंग? When your mama wake up early in the morning, usually your mama is preparing tea for your family. And have you ever think that from where this milk come? Yes, that milk comes from animals. That milk comes from animals. Cow, buffalo, goat. They are giving us milk. And people, those who are living mountain area, they are using yak milks. And people, those who are living in desert area, they are using camel milk also. So there are so many types of varieties of milk is here. But a common man, a common people is usually using cow milk or buffalo milk. Okay. Now, meat and eggs. Yes, these things are also we all are getting from animals. Eggs from hen, meat from hen also, goat also, है ना? And honey. Honey, who is children loves to have honey. शहद सबको पसंद आता है. Yes, so honey we all are getting from honey bee, and these all are the sources of food which we all are getting from animals. Now we will discuss about the smart eating habit. What we are discuss? Smart eating habit. Smart eating, no habit. Habit is not written over there. Smart eating. What is actually smart eating? So let's see what are those points. By using them we can make a smart boy, or we can be a smart boy or a smart girl. Let's see what are these. Number 1, wash your hands before and after every meal. Yes, wash your hands regularly before and after every meal. But nowadays, due to this because of this coronavirus, we usually always wash our hands on regular basis. And especially whenever we will come back from outside, जब भी हम बाहर से आए, definitely wash your hands. Okay, because it is very necessary to keep ourselves safe from the coronavirus. Number 2, do not spoil food while eating. Do not spoil food while eating. Most of the children have habit. They will take so many items. They will keep so many items in their plates. But at the last, they are not able to eat all the items. They are not able to eat all the items, or they are not able to finish all the plates. The entire plates, the whole plate they can't finish because their stomach is very small, है ना? So what is written in the book? That do not spoil the food. खाना बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहिए. Number 3, eat slowly and chew the food well. Whatever we all are eating, eat slowly and chew it well. At least one bite we should eat 32 times. This is the limit to eat. है ना? So always chew your food nicely. If you will not chew your food nicely, your stomach will ache and your digestive system, your stomach will face problem to digest the food whatever you ate. Eat meal at the right time. Yes, some students nowadays they are at their homes. So they have they don't have discipline in their life, है ना? They are not fixed. They are not decided at that time they should have lunch. Timing is not fixed actually there. Sometimes they are waking up late in the morning. So here in the noon they are having late lunch. Then because of late lunch they will have late dinner. So always fix the time of each and every meal. खाने का समय आपका फिक्स होना चाहिए. Do not waste food. Take only much as you can finish. Yes, whatever you want to eat, you can take it. No issue, no problem. But take in a small quantity so you can finish it. And after finish it, take it again. What is the problem? है ना? Take little much, and if you will finish fast, take much more. Okay, ask to your mama. Mama will definitely give you. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Brush your teeth twice in a day. Drink plenty of water. Plenty of water means at least 8 to 10 glasses milk according to Khargon's climate. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of milk. Okay, and brush your teeth twice in a day. This should be there because so many children, they have their teeth problem, they have their cavity problem because they all are not having brush on time. Okay, understand this much, the smart eating habits. Okay, now hope you understand well. Now turn the page and take out page number 14. Take out page number 14. Let's see what is given in the page number 14. Let's see what is given in the page number 14. How food reaches to us. How food reaches to us. खाना हम तक कैसे पहुंचता है? How food reaches to us. Let's see what is the process. Have you ever think whatever food you all are eating, how it reaches to your home? It is very easy to say that Papa go to the market and he buy from the market. Mama go to the market and she buy from the market. So it is easy to say. But this process is actually not easy. This is a very lengthy, a very big process. Okay. So number 1, did you know how food reaches from the field to us? आपको पता है कि खेतों से खाना कैसे आता है? So let's see the process. The entire process is given as in your book. See, this is process number 1. I can show you. This is process number 1. In process number 1, what farmer is doing? Farmer is growing crops in the field, है ना? In number 1, you can see that farmer grows crops in the field. When the crops are ripe, they are cut. So picture number 1 में farmer is growing the crop. Farmer is grow crop in the field. Field यानी खेत and crop यानी फसल. In Hindi we can call it. And picture number 2. What is picture number 2? Grains are kept into the sack. Grains means अनाज. Grains. Grains means अनाज, है ना? Kept into the sack. Sack means SACKS. Sack means जो बोरे होते हैं उन बोरों में अनाज भरा जाता है. So grains are kept into the sack. Number 3. The sack are taken to the market. अब वो जो बोरे भरते हैं, they taken to the market. उनको बाजार में ले जाते हैं. And shopkeeper buys stumps and take to the shop. And what shopkeeper is doing? Shopkeeper is buying from the farmers and takes to the shop. और अपनी दुकान पे ले जाता है. And number 4, the shopkeeper sell food to the pupil. And what is the job of a shopkeeper? Shopkeeper sells the food. Shopkeeper sells the food to the people. And food is cooked at home for to eat. And that food your mama is making to eat you. है ना? Understand this much process? There are 5 pictures. Once again I am repeating this thing. There are 5 pictures given as in your book. In those pictures, the entire food journey is given there. The entire food journey is there in the pictures. So number 1, farmers grow crops in the field. जो farmer होता है यानी किसान, वो क्या करता है? वो खेत में फसल को बोता है. And जब वो फसल तैयार हो जाती है, when the crops are ready to ripe, he cut that crop. And what he will do? What farmer will do? Farmer will kept all the grains into the sack. वो सारा का सारा अनाज साफ करके बोरों में भरते हैं. And then what farmer do? Farmer sack all the sacks to taken to the market. Farmers will keep all the sacks into the truck, into the trolley and go to the market and buy in the market to the shopkeeper. And from there, shopkeeper buys all the grains from farmers. Right? Up what your mama or papa is doing? Your mama and your papa go to the market, take a basket or take a thela and go to the market and buy all the grocery from the grocery shop. Buy all the grocery from the grocery shop. And after buying, what your mama or papa will do? He will come back to the home, and then your mama is making lunch, dinner, breakfast, snacks for you. So this process is very lengthy and hard working process. Being a farmer is always doing lots of hard work to grow the nice crops. है ना, farmers always do lots of hard work to grow the crops, okay. And the rice जो होते हैं बेटा, चावल होते हैं, rice is the most grown food crops in all over the world. जो चावल होते हैं वो पूरी दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा उगाए जाने वाले और सबसे ज्यादा खाए जाने वाला स्टेपल फूड है, वो होता है राइस. Okay, so understand about the food journey, how food reaches to us. Whatever we learn today, whatever we discuss today, everybody understand. Hope everybody understands. So today how much things we discussed? We discussed the remain part of the balanced diet. Then we discussed about the meal timing. So we usually have 3 kinds of meals in a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast should be heavy because whole night our stomach is empty. We all are not eating anything. Then our lunch should be little light at the fixed time, and then our dinner should be lightest at the fixed time. Then we get that what are the sources of the food, how we can get the food. So there are 2 sources of the food, plants, animals. There are 2 sources of the food. Sources of the food. So number 1, animals. And number 2, plant. So these are the big sources of the food. By using animals, we can get the milk product, we can get the eggs, we can get the meat, है ना? And plants to give us everything, not only oil, not only vegetable, not only fruit. Each and everything is given by the plants only. Okay. So then we discussed about the smart eating habits. So we should always wash our hands before and after every meal. Brush our day twice in a day, है ना? Then do not spoil the food. Always chew our food slowly and chew it well, and drink plenty of water in a day. Then we discussed how a farmer can grow the crops and how we can get the food at our homes. So this is the entire journey of the food. Okay. I am giving you a small work. आपको क्या करना है? You have to make the balanced diet chart. आपको balanced diet का एक चार्ट बनाना है और अपनी कॉपी में पेस्ट करना है. This is your today's work. Make a balanced diet chart and paste is in your notebook. This is your today's homework, है ना? And when we will meet in the next class, what we will do? We will write the question answer and the new words. Homework. Make a balanced diet chart. आपको एक बैलेंस डाइट का चार्ट बनाना है, ये आपका होमवर्क है. ओके, सो होप यू अंडरस्टैंड वेल एंड यू enjoyed a lot your class, because on your demands we teachers are recording these videos. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, do take care of yourself, and when we will meet in the next class we will do the remain exercise. Bye bye. It's say to time. Bye bye from my side. Bye.